Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel with another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok in India after banned by the government. So guys, let's see how you can use it. For that you need to go to Play Store and search for secure VPN. After searching this and install this application in your mobile. After installing this application, just open it. After opening, you have to wait here. Now click on connect. Now it is connected. You can see here that it is connected. Now if you use TikTok app, so it will not work here. Okay, and guys, I'm telling you, I have installed this TikTok app for you to show how you can to show you that secure VPN is not working in TikTok application. So I'm going to uninstall here. So you can see here first of all I'm going to uninstall because it is banned by government. I don't want to install it by mobile. So now you have to go to Chrome or any web browser, okay, and search here www.tiktok.com. okay, and click on watch now. Now you can see here the TikTok is working here, means it will load your videos. Okay, you can see here it is loading, and you can also means if you have login, so you can see your followings are there. So I have followed them, so it is showing here. You can see it is loading and playing here also. So okay guys, so in this way you can use TikTok. Okay, so guys, if you like my video, so please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.